Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? Happy Friday for you. Today, 500 daily. Make sales in Facebook groups with this one simple trick. Guys, stumbled across something. I was actually at the lake with my girls, and I did a post, right? And I basically did this one thing, and I got tons of engagement on the post in a Facebook group. And these are like these groups of like 100, 200,000 people that are business opportunity groups. And I got a ton of engagement, and I got sales from it, and I got signups and all this stuff. So I'm going to explain to that. I'll show you exactly what to do. I think you can only do it on your phone, but I'll check it out. We'll try to do it on the computer, and then I'll show you how I did on my phone. All right. If you like videos on how to make money online, then make sure you hit the notification, subscribe, all that good stuff. Now, before we get into this, why do you want to be using Facebook groups in the first place, right? Well, so here's the thing. A lot of people that are struggling go to Facebook, they go into these Facebook groups, and they start posting information. If you can create a viral post, and this is what's really cool, is if you keep posting in that group every single day, you make a post, right? And don't go spam on other people's comments, but post just make a post each day, but make it interesting. Make it something that's going to captivate people. Once people start commenting once, each time you post, if they've commented on your stuff, or you've gotten some activity on it, Facebook is going to show them that. Facebook's going to say, because it'll be considered a highlight, and people will get notification like, hey, you just posted in a group, so you're going to get more and more traffic to it, and then people are going to get to know you, they're going to see you, and they're going to go, hey, this guy's got something going on, he's consistent, he's always posting something, and what it is. Or if you're a girl, then that too. All right, so how do you do it exactly? So you want to make something that is interesting. So many people have, proof of income and all these things, and yeah, those work. Those do work, but people are getting overdone with it, especially especially now that binary forex trading. It's all these computer shot screens of like a whole bunch of numbers and people showing like, oh, up and down, and I made pennies and all that stuff. I don't do the binary forex trading stuff. And if you are a trader, great, good for you. But affiliate marketing, guys, I've seen too many of those things. They look like a solid investment, but they're just a Ponzi, and they collapse 6 months later, and everyone's like, oh, and then they're on to the next one. They're on to the next one, and the leaders are just taking their people, and they're just milking them out of their money. So anyways, that's another day, another topic. Okay, so you want to learn how to start making money, sales with Facebook groups. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you first. I'll show you exactly. I'll show you some proof, guys. Like, this is just I'm not going to show you emails and what people bought. I'm just going to show you where my leads came from, and it's pretty cool. So here, this is today's July 31st, so you'll see July 31st here, guys. These two are from paid traffic, and I'll give you that paid traffic. This traffic is converting like crazy. Look at this, guys. Facebook group. So these are two different landing pages I've got in Facebook groups. That's why they're tagged differently, so I can tell them apart. This is paid traffic. This is actually a safe list guy, and this is an oddity, because I send a ton of traffic through this safe list, and very few leads or sales come from that. Again, this is paid traffic, Facebook group, guys. Paid traffic, Facebook group, Facebook group, Facebook group. Is this crazy? Like, this is all today, right? So 3 Facebook groups, 2 paid, 4 Facebook groups, another paid, 5, 6 Facebook groups. So guys, how would you like to see this? Now, what am I using? I'm using a really good landing page. I'm using a couple really good landing pages, and I have a system that converts into sales. But let me just show you how I'm doing it. Okay, so this is basically a group that I'm in. Now I'm gonna try it. Usually I do it on my phone, but I'm gonna try it on the just basically on the computer here and see if it works. If not, I'll show you. I'll turn around and show you my phone. Hold on a second. Let me just see if I've got the right. I'm gonna pull up the right. Okay, here. Yeah, that's good. Just looking at a script I'm gonna write in there. Okay, so I've got this. I wrote this out, right? So it's a new day. Emojis release yesterday. Stop worrying about tomorrow. Be great in this moment. 600, I'll change this to 500 daily. How to earn money online, the easy way for beginners. Okay, get your done for system here, and then my link. One, a viral lead system, multiple residual income, earn $90 per referral, high ticket commissions, click cash monetization. The no-brainer business. Build a big list and get paid doing it. And then I'm gonna go right here, and then sell anything you want. So I'm gonna see how I've got, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little period there because I want to break this up, because if I just posted it with just spaces, then Facebook will actually squish the content. And so I'm gonna put a period in there so I keep these spaces. So I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna copy it, and I go over here and I grab my photo. So I went over to Canva and I did I took an image. So let me see if I can show you the images. So I took this image. This is us at the this is me on the walk yesterday. I took a walk and there was a beautiful sunset in my neighborhood. Like, this is so easy, guys. Grab your phone and go out and just take a picture of a flower, take a picture of a walkway, a bench, take a picture of something showing lifestyle. You can do so much with it, and it's going to be 100% original. So that's the picture. Let me go back to list here. And then I went over to Canva, and you guys can do this. It's not hard. Go over to Canva, and I'm going to show you it now. This is and then I download it as a image, and you'll see it when it posts up here. Okay. Come on. Did it want to take it or not? Whenever my computer is doing waiting. All right, well, let's post this in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, because it posted 3 of them. So let me post my stuff from there. Okay. Now, oh, you can't do it. I needed to show you this on my phone. I should do it over my shoulder on my phone. Anyways, I'll do it in another group. I'll post this one here. Maybe you guys don't have a smartphone. So now, look at this, guys. I just did this in Canva, right? And I've got a link. I've got of course I have my own domain, glenmurrayonline.com, but I've got a little link there, right? So it's here. So see what's cool here? It's a new day released yesterday. Stop worrying about tomorrow. And it says see more. That's because I made those periods in there. But look at this, guys. It's really that simple. Look how great that looks, right? And people are going to be scrolling through this group, right? Oh, it's an image. Oh, it's, blah, 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 blah. Oh, this is the one. Okay, this is one I did on my phone. And see what it is? It's friggin' 3D, guys. And it's so cool. So I did this one yesterday, and it got great engagement. I don't know if it did in this group. It didn't look like it did in this group. And guys, it's hit and miss. Like, some groups will be crazy. But look how much, like, when you see something, whoa, right? Like, what's that 3D image doing in there? And or this, right? You're like, whoa, what's that? It makes people stop. And that's why how you win on Instagram, all that stuff. So that is how you get the engagement. I always then put it in a like, right? I'll put a wow or a heart on it. And then another cool thing you can do, and again, I got to do it on my phone because I do a lot of my marketing on my phone. And let me show you on my phone, see if I can do it over my shoulder. Let's just go back to this. Anyways, that's one of my posts. So let me do the same thing. And you know what? I gotta set up reflector on this. I'm gonna do another video. But if you do that on your phone, I have an iPhone, right? So I have my notes as the same notes. I would just cut and paste it. But what I downloaded is, and let me see if I can find a one that's got a ton of comments on it. I'll show you what I did. Okay, so this one got 13 comments on it. So again, so see guys, I made it 3D. I don't know if you can see it really in the video. It's probably not looking as good on the video. So same post, right? But I made the image 3D because I uploaded it with my phone. And then I did a wow, but look at, I put right away, right after I posted it, I put, it's called Bitmoji, and you can download the keyboard and you create your own sort of image of yourself, of a Bitmoji, and then you can post that. Guys, this stuff just gets great engagement. It just stops people in their tracks, right? And yeah, are you going to get spam on your posts? Absolutely. I recommend when you do get spam like this on here, just report it to admin so they can get rid of them. I've started like reporting to Facebook, report to admin, and then I just started blocking them because I think a lot of them are just bot accounts. So you're going to get some of that spam depending on which group you're in. But this is what's working, guys. Now, what are you sending as an offer to them? And this is what's really important. You need to have something that converts, and do not send them directly to your affiliate offer or to your thing unless you're capturing their email. Maybe your affiliate program has a way that you can put your autoresponder in so you can send it to their page. That's why I use the one I do, and it's the link right below. You want to click that definitely, because what it does is it basically does this. It gives you the capture page, but instead of the email going to the company, it goes into your autoresponder, right? And here's what happens. You can get paid from the company. You can get paid by selling traffic to that. They will pay you for clicks. Once it's in your autoresponder, then they've already got a series for you. Then you can broadcast to that person and get them into your other opportunity. Think about it. You've got a live action person that clicked on something like this, that's looking to make money, to have a lifestyle, right? It's generic. There's nothing in my post that says what it is. It's just like, hey, generic way to make money. So it could be a network marketing company. It could be a health and wellness product. It could be a travel product. It could be crypto stuff if you want to be doing that. It could be anything. What you're doing is you're taking someone cold, you're putting them onto your list, right? And you're using a tool to put them on your list. Now you've basically filtered out all the people that aren't interested in making money, and now you're going to be able to market them. Now you can reach out to them, right? Send them an email like, hey, you clicked, thanks for joining my list. You know, I know that you clicked on this because you want to make money. This is what I'm doing to make money. And even if you're brand new, say, you know what, I just got started, but here's what my upline has done, and this is some examples of what they've done. Or maybe you're rocking it and say this is my success story, or whatever it is. That's how you do it. But guys, that's how you do it, and you need to be sending a ton of traffic to this, right? So not only are you going to be doing the organic stuff, because this organic stuff actually is going to help you become a better marketer. People are going to comment here. You're going to have to engage with them. They might not just click your link right away. A lot of them do, but they might want to, like, hey, what is it you're talking about? You want to get into a conversation with them, and make the conversation fast, guys. Like, hey, thanks for the connection. Are you looking for some marketing help? Or are you just building your friends list kind of thing? And then if they go, yeah, I'm looking for marketing help, say, great. Are you already in a home-based business or an online business? Yeah, I am. Okay, how's it going generating leads and sales? Most people right there, when you ask that question, they're like, it sucks. Because most people, 97% of people don't know how to market. So when you ask them that question, they're going to be like, yeah, I'm having a hard time. I have a solution for you. How would you like to be able to just send people to a link that it's going to filter them out? People that want to make money online, and people that don't want to make money online. Once you get them through that filter, now you know that they're an active marketer that you want to market to. It's so easy, guys. It's so simple. So click the link below, get started, go follow the 3 steps to get set up, order some traffic, just like ordering a pizza, guys. It's like you literally put in the information. There's actually a link in the back office that says order traffic. It does everything for you. It just basically boom, 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 boom. You order your traffic. Done like that. Easy peasy, right? That's how simple it is. All right, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification. If you found value in this, comment below. Make sure that if you know someone that needs help with it, share this to them. And if you want to go through, I'm gonna get the program that I can show my phone on my screen. I used to have it. It was called Reflector. I can't find it now. So next, I'm gonna figure out a way to do it, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that right on my phone. I'll show you how fast I work on my phone as well. I'll show you how I use my text snippets in here, and it makes business so fast. You can do it on the run. You can do it from wherever you are. Hopefully that helps you guys. Again, if you need if you have any questions, just hit me up. We can have a conversation. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.